Hello and welcome to Value Research Podcast. You're listening to First Page, a column written by Virendra Kumar.
22 and timeless. A lot has changed in the mutual fund industry in the past 22 years. A lot will change in future too. 22 years is a short time in the history of an institution, but a long one in an individual's lifetime. The readers who have stayed with us since the beginning must have grayed quite a bit since that October when they held the first issue. Personally, I have made the journey from 32 to 54, which is, in a manner of speaking, almost an entire working lifetime. The numbers and the names in the world of Indian mutual funds too have changed a lot. When we were preparing the first issue of this magazine, there were 41 fund companies in India, of which many have now disappeared. In fact, some of the highest flying names of the time like Zurich, Kothari Pioneer and Alliance Capital no longer exist. The way investors interact with mutual fund is also completely different. Earlier, it was all physical, with forms, checks, and statements being physically submitted or transported by post. At first sight, anyone would be justified in concluding that in mutual fund investing, everything has changed. However, I would say that nothing has changed, or rather, the things that actually matter have stayed the same. Do you remember that famous quote by Jeff Bezos from 2 decades ago? He wrote, I very frequently get the question, what's going to change in the next 10 years? And that is a very interesting question. It's a very common one. I almost never get the question, what will not change in the next 10 years? And I submit to you that the second question is the more important of the two, because you can build a business strategy around the things that are stable in time. It's impossible to imagine a future 10 years from now where a customer comes up and says, Jeff, I love Amazon. I just wish the prices were a little higher. And I love Amazon. I just wish you would deliver a little slowly. Our cover stories for this 22nd anniversary issue are very much in the spirit of this quote from Jeff Bezos. They would have fit perfectly if I had published the same stories in our inaugural issue 2 decades ago. Apart from that actual index number and other data, what they say could have been entirely unchanged in 2002 and fitted in perfectly. However, the real importance of the timelessness of these principles is not that they were the same in 2022, but they will also be the same in 2044. The timeless nature of these principles is what makes them so valuable. As we look to the future of mutual fund investing, we can be certain that while technologies, platform, and even some financial products may evolve, sensible and intelligent investing tenets will remain constant. The importance of diversification, the power of compounding, the magic of cost averaging, and the need for patience and discipline will not fade away. They are the bedrock upon which successful long-term investing is built. I am sure the physical form of this magazine will be quite different in another 2 decades. The majority of our readers are already reading it digitally, and I am sure most of them are already managing their investments digitally. Surely, these things will change even more in the future. However, the most important things will not. This permanence is precisely why we at Mutual Fund Insight have always emphasized these fundamental principles. We understand that in the ever-changing financial landscape, our readers need a compass that always points in the correct direction, true north. We provide that stable reference point by focusing on what does not change. Whether you are reading this magazine today or stumble upon it a decade from now, the wisdom will remain relevant and applicable. This commitment to timeless financial wisdom has kept our readers with us for 22 years, and it will continue to guide investors through whatever changes the future may bring.